phone call at night. Shockingly, I never had my phone on me, and I had my phone. And he just heard screaming. And I thought they were joking. I thought they were playing a prank. Like they said, come see me, come get me, come get me. Once I realized it wasn't a prank, we immediately went. It's at a farm about 20 minutes away. And we kind of met in the middle of a road, literally middle of nowhere. They have no cell phone reception. So she was in the back of a truck. They put her in the back of a truck. Knew instantly that she broke her leg for sure.
The initial day that it happened, I just remember I couldn't move my leg or anything, and then I kind of don't remember a ton else.
We kind of left Wellsboro thinking she had a couple broken ribs, and because of her leg, how bad it was broken, we thought they were life-flighting us because of those reasons. So her and I were life-flighted to Danville.
Maddie arrived at our children's hospital as the sort of highest level of pediatric trauma. We would call that a level 1 trauma. She had a rollover accident while on an ATV, and to be quite honest with you, there were very few systems that were spared. So we had a young lady who was semi-conscious, who was able to move, but had massive injuries pretty much from her neck to her pelvis. And just to sort of give you an idea of how bad that was, she had both lungs were badly contused. One lung was bleeding and had a hemothorax. Her organs were lacerated. The liver had a laceration. The colon was perforated. And by far the most sort of severe abdominal injury was to her kidneys. With those injuries, she was bleeding profusely, intra-abdominally into her chest, from her liver, from her kidneys. And when you lose that amount of blood, truly the clock is ticking and every minute counts. She was too unstable to transfer, and our Children's Hospital of Philadelphia colleagues wholeheartedly agreed. They were very helpful and complimentary that we had gotten her to this point, but said to transfer her is to perhaps endanger her life because she was so unstable. So Susan Firth, who is the chief of Children's Hospital of Philadelphia Nephrology, said, you know, Frank, keep her there. We're a phone call away. Tell your adult nephrologist we're available to you 24/7 for anything related to her renal replacement therapy.
These doctors chose to stay extra for her. They made those just above and beyond anything I can imagine. So I mean, that's what I think really helped, that I fully trusted their judgment, and I wasn't ever questioning, are we doing the right thing? We know they had it. They treated her like it was their child, and that happened every surgery, every little thing. That they always said, this is what I would do if it was my child. But even, she was so swollen, and they cared what her hair looked like. They cared about painting her nails and just making her feel like her. And that calmed us down to do a mother wants to do their child's hair. Just doing those things really helped us get through it.
Some of my doctors would go out of their way and just pop in and say hi, or the one lady from urology would give me stuffed animals and stuff to cheer me up.
One of the most heartwarming moments was we had her in a corner room in the pediatric ICU. To be able to look out that window and see her brothers holding up signs of support was truly amazing. It was touching in a manner that I think that I don't think there was a dry eye in the room when they were looking out and seeing her brothers cheer her on.
I remember coming back home and just bargaining, oh, I just want her to come home and sit next to the fire with us. I'll just be happy if these simple things can happen. And now we know that she's gonna be able to basically come back and just be who she was before. And that's really amazing.
When you just look at her and see her just walking, and knowing she went through so much, and then this is what, it's her, it's back to her. it's just amazing. Like, I never would have ever thought that we'd get the outcome we did.
Look at, hey, down.
Madeline is just an incredible kid, you know, an incredible young lady who is so brave.
I really think I'm strong now, like mentally. I know I can do anything now.